Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're diving into a delicious Mediterranean dish that's both refreshing and packed with flavor, Greek Artichoke Salad. Perfect as a side dish or a light meal on its own. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. We'll start our prep by chopping our peppers. Today, we're going with a small dice. We'll cut away at the sides and then discard the core and seeds. Next, we'll give it a good julienne cut. Turn it to the side and we have a nice small dice. Now we'll do the same with the other pepper. Today we're using half a green and half a red pepper. Remember to take your time and enjoy the cooking process. Now we'll cut our cherry tomatoes in half. If they are on the smaller side, feel free to leave them whole. Use any type of cherry tomato that you like. These were what I had from my garden. We'll take half a red onion and give it a good chop. Try to keep your dice about the same size as your peppers. Now that the prep is done, let's get it all into our salad bowl. Look at those beautiful colors. Next, we'll drain a 9-ounce jar of Greek Kalamata olives and add that to our salad bowl. Now, we'll do the same with a 14-ounce jar of marinated artichoke hearts. And that goes into the salad next. Now, we'll grate 4 ounces of feta cheese. You can skip this step and use crumbled feta cheese instead if you like. Let's get started with a simple vinaigrette. We'll start with 1/4 a cup of olive oil. Next, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and finally, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it all a brisk shake. This vinaigrette will bring all the flavors of our salad together. Now go ahead and pop that into your salad. Now give it a gentle toss. To serve our salad, we're going to start off with a nice fresh bed of spring mix. Now, just spoon your marinated artichoke salad right on top. Doesn't that look incredible? All those vibrant colors and fresh ingredients, this salad is sure to be a hit. I hope you enjoyed making this Greek artichoke salad with me today. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Outdoor Food Project for more delicious outdoor cooking recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Good. I think it's pretty good.